Hop into the 2022 Ram 2500. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take the big jobs in stride in the Ram 2500. Its blend of heavy-duty capability, passenger comfort, and connected technology will see you through. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, four-wheel drive, satellite radio, keyless start, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, running boards, side steps, stability control. Attack your projects with the strength and power that leaves no room for doubt. Drive the Ram 2500.